biggest takeaway, or the one of the most important takeaway I took from call is, what is that I really offer to people in a very simplified manner? How can I tell? Like, it should be so simple that they just get it, instead of telling whole story and Ramayana and not reaching anywhere. And second is like the power of being you and showing up. Like, you know you are a gift, that's why you are in this line. You know your work has a value, that's why you're still pursuing it. But you don't want to show up because there's some judgment, like, is it really valuable? No. पर अगर ये इतना वैल्यूबल होता तो मैं इतना पैसा दे के वो थेरेपी या वो कोर्सेस या उसके बेटरमेंट के लिए नहीं सीखती, बिकॉज आई एम स्पेंडिंग माई मनी, राइट? दैट मीन्स देयर इज अ वैल्यू व्हाट आई एम पुटिंग माई मनी विथ, एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई एम preaching to people. So there is a complete congruency. The only not congruency is the judgment. So I would like to let go of that, just no more working. So I think that's the biggest part. Thank you.
Nikki, thank you for this fabulous call. So for me, the biggest thing that showed up was marketing. So I have lots of points of views, lots of judgments for marketing and selling. And the one thing that changed my perspective about marketing, what you said, that it's more about you are fulfilling people's needs. It's not force selling. So the whole charge that I had with marketing, and that's why I don't like to do it. So that charge, I could see that melt, and that would be I'm sure that's the biggest breakthrough that I needed at this point. So thank you so much.
So the biggest takeaway, I would say, the judgment part, which I want to seriously get rid of, because that is actually stopping me in so that learning was actually big learning for me. And then the quotation, that one-liner quotation, which I have learned that how to frame it perfectly so that we can tell to people what exactly we are doing. So that is really very valuable knowledge for me. Yeah, so thank you so much.
Marketing, मतलब I really feel कि भाई when you're selling, you're like कि तुम किसी को कुछ बेच रहे हो. That is not very light for me always. कि भाई ठीक है, you've learned it. If they want it, they'll ask for it. You don't have to, अरे भाई तुम कर लो. So that concept has changed. Okay, it is something different from that. And showing up, two things which I'm not like. I can do lots and lots of things for people, but without showing up. Okay, oh, I am doing this. I'm doing this. Yeah, I can do this. Okay, I can create magic. Whatever. I don't show up. So because of lots of judgments of family, friends, everyone, kaise ye, but now yes, that I will change.
Yes, definitely.
More than worth.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
1,000 times more.
Awesome.